wish you all a very happy welcome you all to this AS Party's General Secretary.
Democracy is the government of the people. Bye.
ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯರಾದಂಥ ಸಜ್ಜನ ಪ್ರಾಚಾರ್ಯರಾದಂಥ ಮೈತ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ
right to education is such a
People of India having solemnly justice, so belief, faith and worship. I think to ourselves who will share his perspective on this theme of occasion.
To all the dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, and my dear students, immense pleasure to introduce today's chief guest, Srimati Shweta Shiradul ma'am.
Privileged to stand before you and speak few words on the Constitution Day. Actually, yesterday, that is November 26, was our Constitution Day. Hope everyone know a little bit something about our Constitution. Basically, the Constitution is consisting of articles and schedules. Our Constitution is a very lengthiest written Constitution. Written Constitution, you can say in other countries, it's not like that. We have borrowed this written concept from US. Our Constitution have borrowed many keys from other countries. Fundamental rights, judicial reviews, idea of president as the head of state. These concepts are borrowed from US. The directive principles of state policies, fundamental duties, these are borrowed from Irish. Division of powers, appointment of governor are borrowed from Kannada Constitution. There are many more elements which are borrowed from the other country constitutions. The framing of constitution was not an easy task. It almost took 3 years. There were 7 members in the forming committee, and in the leadership of Dr. Ambedkar, the constitution was formed. For giving this opportunity and being a part of this event. Thank you so much.
In proper lawyer elements, you going to fill the very wonderful area where not only India but the whole world is having an upper hand. Let us also keep up with this tradition. Thank you.
ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ದಿವಸದ ನಮ್ಮ SECAB ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಭಾರತದ ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಷಯಗಳು ಕಾನೂನಾತ್ಮಕವಾಗಿ ಸಂವಿಧಾನಾತ್ಮಕವಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಗತ್ತಿನ ಸಂವಿಧಾನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಮತ್ತು ಲಿಖಿತ ಸಂವಿಧಾನವಾಗಿದೆ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಂವಿಧಾನಗಳು ಲಿಖಿತ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತದ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಒಂದು ಲಿಖಿತ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಾಬಾ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಅವರು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಾರವಾಗಲಿ ನ್ಯಾಯವಾಗಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಂಗವಾಗಲಿ ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಾನೂನು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಂವಿಧಾನದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಆಳವಾದ ಜ್ಞಾನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೇಸ್ಗಳು ಸಂವಿಧಾನಬದ್ಧವಾಗಿಯೇ ನೀವು ನಡೆಸಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ನ್ಯಾಯವಾದಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಹೊರಹೊಮ್ಮಬೇಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನನ್ನ ಭಾಷಣ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
Today we are observing Constitution Day. What is Constitution? That's most important. Constitution is not a mere book. It is a sacred legal document of a country. Even in India, as far as Constitution is concerned, 2 types, written and unwritten. Indian Constitution is written. The only Constitution which is unwritten is the British Constitution. We have followed British model, that is a parliamentary form of system. But the difference is, in Britain there is a hereditary monarch, but in India we have elected president. And we have written constitution document, whereas in Britain there is unwritten constitution. Another thing I want to highlight here is that even though there is unwritten constitution in Britain, there is a constitutionalism. In some countries there is constitution, but there is no constitutionalism. But in India, we have written constitution as well as we have constitutionalism, for giving me an opportunity to share my views. Thank you very much.
Recently, just a day before the Constitution Day, the Supreme Court dismissed the case which was filed by Mr. Subramanian Swamy and other famous lawyer, just to remove the words socialist, secular and integrity. That shows the strength of the word socialist and secular and integrity. Irrespective of caste, community, creed, religion, we are all integrated, and that is the beauty of our constitution. It protects the people of all caste, community, creed, color and religion. This is what just I wanted to add to your knowledge. Thank you.
ಬಹುತ್ವ ಭಾರತ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಮತ್ತು ವಾಸ್ತವ. ನಾವು 75ನೇ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆನ ನಿನ್ನೆ ದಿನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಹಲವಾರು ಧರ್ಮಗಳಿವೆ, ಜಾತಿಗಳಿವೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಆಹಾರ ಪದ್ಧತಿ ಇದೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಭಾಷೆಗಳಿದೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಜನ, ವಿವಿಧತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕತೆ ನಾವು.
Firstly, I would like to congratulate you for your justice delayed is justice denied. So my request is that when you will become a good advocate in your life, I want you to give the justice as soon as possible. You have to make sure that you are providing the best and impartial justice to the people.
ಭಾರತ ದೇಶದ ಸಂವಿಧಾನವನ್ನು ಅಂಗೀಕರಿಸಿದ ದಿನವೇ ನವೆಂಬರ್ 26, 1949.
The Indian Constitution, adopted on January 26, 1950, is a remarkable document that balances the need for stability with the necessity for change.
Yesterday, 26 November, marked the adoption of the Constitution in 1949, which came into effect on 26 January 1950.
Gratitude turns what we have into enough. With this, I conclude my thanks. Let us uphold the spirit of our Constitution in our daily lives. Thank you